One of the biggest financial mistakes people make in Kenya is buying the wrong car for their lifestyle. Not because the car is bad, but because the budget was only focused on buying it, not living with it. And the result? Stress, repairs, fuel pressure, regret. Today, I'll show you how to choose the right car for your budget in Kenya, realistically, practically, and without regret. Stop buying for status. Let's start with the biggest trap. Buying a car to impress people. Many buyers stretch their finances for bigger engines, luxury badges, expensive models. But after 2 months, reality starts hitting. Fuel becomes painful. Service becomes stressful. And suddenly the car becomes pressure. A car should support your life, not compete with your income. The wrong car can quietly destroy your finances. Understand your real budget. Now here's the smart approach. Your budget is not just the buying price. You must calculate fuel, insurance, service, tires, emergency maintenance. If you have 1 million shillings, don't spend the full 1 million on the car itself. Leave room for ownership, because many people buy the car, then struggle immediately after. If buying the car empties your account, the car is already too expensive. Choose based on your lifestyle. This is where smart buyers separate themselves. Ask yourself, what kind of driving do I actually do? City driving? Long distance travel? Family use? Business? Rough roads? Because the right car for Nairobi traffic may not be the right car for rural roads. And a car that works for a bachelor may frustrate a family person. Choose based on your real life, not social media. Don't buy the car you admire. Buy the car you'll survive with. Parts and maintenance reality. Now let's talk about something buyers ignore. Parts availability. Some cars are easy to maintain in Kenya. Others become stressful because parts are rare, mechanics struggle with them, repairs take too long. And this is why 2 cars with the same price can have completely different ownership experiences. Always research common problems, service costs, spare part availability before buying. Best types of cars for different budgets. Now, generally speaking, if your budget is lower, focus on reliability, fuel economy, easy maintenance. Cars like Toyota, Mazda, Honda usually make more sense financially. If your budget is higher and stable, then you can explore Mercedes, BMW, Audi, but only if you understand the maintenance commitment. Luxury is enjoyable when you can sustain it comfortably. A cheap luxury car can become an expensive mistake. The smart buyer mindset. The smartest car buyers think long-term. They don't ask, can I buy this? They ask, will this car still make sense after 1 year? That changes everything, because ownership is a journey, not just a transaction. And when you choose correctly, your car becomes convenience, not stress. The best car is not the most expensive one. It's the one that fits your life, your budget, and your reality. If this video helped you think smarter about car ownership, subscribe. Let's make smarter decisions.